when the lights go off, because the moon is right in between the sun and us, and it suddenly gets dark in the middle of the day because we're in the shadow, we're going to be able to see a whole lineup of our planets right in the middle of the day. Now, when the sun is out shining bright, we won't see them. We'll see a blue sky. But when it gets blocked and we're in the dark, we're going to be able to see all these little planets in a row. That is rare. Some of you have heard of what's your astronomical sign, what's your zodiac sign? That's about things like the planets and their positions. It's kind of neat. So you're going to be able to see Jupiter, and you'll be able to see all these planets light up. Venus will be very bright. Okay,
So
Venus is normally the morning star or the evening star because it's always close to the sun because its orbit, like Toby said, is right around here close.
Okay.
It is possible that we will also be able to see a comet right up there by Jupiter. When it goes dark, we'll be able to see a comet. And I say it's possible. It depends on how well the comet behaves.
Yeah.
It depends on whether it gives off a gas tail and stuff and it's bright enough we can see it. But we'll be looking for the comet, won't we? It'll be right in there. That makes this exciting.
It does.
An eclipse with a comet and all the planets lined up, it's like, ooh, exciting.
That's what I was thinking.
I think it's
like,
really,
wow.
really exciting. But there's some other things to watch for. When the moon is covering the sun, it's like it's got a piece, a bite out of the sun, and the bite gets bigger and bigger and bigger as the moon gets more and more in the way until it gets, so it completely covers the sun. And so you see the sun disappear, 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 until there's just the teeniest little sliver left. And when that happens, expect to see a thing known as the diamond ring. The diamond ring. That's when you start to see a little bit of the halo of the sun coming around the whole thing. It looks like a ring, yet right here where it's just almost covered up, there's a teeny bit of sun still shining. It looks like a diamond. In fact, it looks something like this.
Oh.
There it is. That is the diamond ring.
Love it.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yes.
So that's what we're expecting to see. And you can see the moon is completely blacking out all the sun, but you can kind of see the atmosphere around it. Isn't that fun? Now, as the moon continues to pass the sun, pretty soon the sun starts coming out the other side. So it disappears on the first side as the moon's blocking it, but then as it goes by, it starts to come out and be exposed on the other side. So we'll see another diamond ring on the other side as the eclipse in totality is beginning to end. You see what I'm saying? It's starting to peak out. But before we see the second diamond ring, if we're lucky, we're going to see something else. We're going to get to see the pearls, the Bailey beads, they call them. These are little beads of the sun first peeking through. You see those little beads there? And interestingly, the reason that they've got these little beads is because the moon is not smooth. It has craters with mountains and things. And so the sun is shining through those craters. And so whether or not you see the beads and how many will depend on where you are and how the moon's turned. And they actually have places where they think you might be able to see that. And then as it goes a little bit further, we'll see another diamond ring. And so there's a lot to watch for.